Hi, I'm Gemma of Create Studio, and I'm here at home this afternoon thinking of ways to reuse things. I do think that way often, but I have been reading this book, Braiding Sweetgrass, and I'm finding it a wonderful and inspiring book, and it's really helping me shift into the biggest reason I want to reuse is because I do feel that all the products that are made, all of the post-consumer materials that we have been forged from the earth at one point, and often to the distress of the earth itself. And that breaks my heart. So if I have something, I can use it again in some creative way, then I'm not as inclined to be thoughtlessly stripping the planet. Sorry for the reminder. So, what I wanted to share today is I had some embroidery from an embroidery class that I'm doing, and the string often gets tangled when you're using it. So sometimes it comes with cards that you can wrap onto, but people often give me the hang tags that come with the clothing that they buy. And I thought these hang tags would make a great way to hold on to the embroidery floss. So all you do is you cut a little notch with some scissors, and then you can start off your threading through that, and you have a home for embroidery floss. You can use this for a stray but long piece of string, or a stray but long piece of yarn that you think, oh, that's really nice and I'd like to hold on to it. You can even do it with ribbon. So hang on to your hang tags, because they will be useful to hold something that you hold dear. And it's a way that we can be mindful of our wonderful planet. I hope you like this idea and use it in some wonderful way, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.